Meaning of Damocles.
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 Damocles. Damocles refers to an ancient Greek myth about a courtier who was granted the opportunity to sit on the throne of his king. However, it came with the caveat of having a sword suspended over his head by a single hair to represent the constant danger and uncertainty of the position. Today, the term Damocles is commonly used to describe a precarious or risky situation where there is potential for harm or negative consequences. The sword hanging overhead creates a sense of impending danger, leading to stress and anxiety.